slice of, cakes of with uncountable nouns. We can say, please give me a slice of bread. That will be countable. Now, note that though we write cups, cakes, slices, the uncountable milk, soap and bread remain the same. We can't say milks, okay, or soaps. Now, proper nouns like names of countries such as India, Pakistan, names of particular places such as Delhi, Bhopal, and names of particular persons or things are unique. Unique means only one. There is only one of their kind. So they are called uncountable nouns. Material nouns like sugar, milk, tea, iron, glass are uncountable. These things cannot be counted, okay? Abstract nouns like honesty, knowledge, beauty are uncountable. Some abstract nouns may also have a plural form such as, this you have to learn by heart, children. Just to give it a big mention. Yeah, children, see. These you have to learn by heart. 3 stars. So learn by heart, okay? Now, decision, decisions. Hardship, hardships. Okay? Yeah, identify the countable and uncountable nouns according to the context. The first one has been done for you. Now this exercise, children, you will write here. You have to fill in your workbooks. That is page number 15. This exercise you fill yourself. C is for countable, UC is for uncountable. Okay. Now page number 16. All of you open page number 16. Now collective nouns. This also we have done previously. Again it has come. In 6th also you have learned others. So these also you have to learn by heart. 3 stars by heart. Okay, I'll just read for you. A herd of buffaloes, a flight of geese, a pride of lions, a gang of thieves, a pack of bulls, a swarm of bees, a bunch of keys, a regiment of soldiers, a squadron of policemen, a troop of dancers, a horde of savages, then a litter of puppies. Small puppies we see, no? That's known as litter, a litter of puppies. Then a bench of judges, a fleet of ships, a choir of singers, a brood of chicks, a crowd of people, a box of tools, a constellation of stars, a bouquet of flowers, a sheaf of arrows, a grove of trees, a shoal of fish, an orchestra of musicians, a congregation of people, a board of directors, a suite of rooms, a column of ants, a bundle of sticks, a chest of drawers. Okay? Collective nouns used for groups of people. Now, a group of people watching the match, spectators. A group of people at a religious meeting. For religion they are together. Congregation. A group of people listening to a concert or lecture. Audience. A group of people gathered for a specific common purpose. Assembly. A group of people gathered without any particular purpose, together, okay? Crowd. A group of people gathered for some destructive purpose. They want to destroy, they want to make mischief. Dhumal karwa માટે. That is mob. A group of savage people. Horde. Okay, now this I have filled for you, so you have to fill this in your books. Now page number 17. morning, children. How are you all? Nice, no? Now it's raining. Enjoying, inside the house. Don't go out. Very good, children. Okay? Now today we are going to start lesson number 2, grammar. We have completed lesson 1, sentences. Yeah? Have you filled your books? From my PDF, you have to fill your lesson 1. See and write. Okay? And where I have done made 3 stars. In PDF, wherever there are 3 stars, you have to learn by heart. Okay? Understood? Okay. Now here, today we are going to learn nouns. Do you know what is a noun? Name of person, place, animal, thing, or anything we think of. Okay? Whatever we think, or whatever qualities we have. These are all nouns. The nouns are common nouns, proper nouns, material, collective and abstract. Proper nouns, names of particular places, persons and objects. Like John, Delhi, Chennai. Then common nouns, general names of places, persons or objects. Example, boys, park, chairs. Okay? Boys means any boy can be. Boys. This is common, but if I give special name, then it will become a proper noun. If I say Nil, this will be proper. Okay? And this is common. Following me, children? Then your page number 14 you have to open. With me, everybody see. See now. Collective nouns. Names of a collection or groups of persons, animals or things forming a unit. Alright? Army, mob, nation. Now abstract nouns. Names of quantities, ideas, emotions and such things which we cannot see or touch. Which we cannot see, we cannot touch. Okay, anger, gusto. Can you touch it? No. Then love, can you touch it? No. You can feel it. Right? Now for example, friendship, honesty, beauty. Now material nouns. Names of materials or substances used as ingredients for making things. Example, water, steel, iron, gold, silver, anything. These are all material nouns. Names of materials. Now, identify the different kinds of nouns in the following sentences and name them. Here, Tony is a good batsman. What type of batsman he is? Good. Now, this is an abstract noun. Okay? Then he has a good knowledge of cricket. Knowledge. That is also an